Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Bank Nifty forecast for upcoming week. So in our earlier Nifty video, we have posted that Nifty is very weak and it needs to reclaim the 20 SMA again for good up move. But in Bank Nifty case, it is a bit different. For the last couple of weeks, Bank Nifty is much stronger than the any other index of our markets. So now we will concentrate on our analysis of Bank Nifty. For this, I have opened Bank Nifty charts on daily time frame, and I have drawn couple of lines which will be resistance and support zones. So this is the ultra level support, rock bottom support, which we can expect in Bank Nifty. This may not be for next week, but this is for next couple of weeks, maybe even months. Okay, because there are couple of events lined up in March. Even though this Russia-Ukraine tussle is getting solved, 10th of March, 5 state election results, especially UP election results, will affect the market on any direction. So I have marked the rock bottom support below which Bank Nifty will not be able to go in near future. So for doing the weekly analysis, I have this daily chart will not be useful for us for this week. So I have converted this into a 3 hours chart. Okay, now I have converted this into a 3 hours chart. And along with this, these 4 lines, you very well know that black color line is our 20 SMA, maroon is the 200 SMA, sky blue line is the 50 SMA, and the pink one is the 100 SMA. This is on 3 hours time frame. Along with this, I have drawn a downward trending channel connecting the highs and lows of the last particular week. Okay, sorry, last particular month. Connecting the highs and lows, I have drawn a channel. So on Friday, not on Friday, Thursday, Bank Nifty has exactly tested the lower end of the channel and it's currently moving and rising towards the upper end of the channel. Now over here, if you observe it cleanly, this particular area is showing us a bearish sign. Why? Because 200 SMA is supposed to get broken by the 20 SMA. 20 SMA is going below 200 SMA. In other words, if you want to say, okay, this particular area is showing bearish sign. But at the same time, if you add RSI to this, then it is showing a positive sign. So this week will be a testing week for Bank Nifty. If we are able to break the higher end of the channel and if we are able to manage the one close above it will confirm only 50% of the prediction. But if there is a close above this particular channel for 2 continuous candles, then forget about shorting Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty will not come down. Okay, so looking at the gap up scenario as per Singapore Nifty close on Friday, it is showing a 300 point gap up in Nifty. So let's forget about 300 points. Let's assume if it if it is 200 to 250 points. If Nifty is going to raise or open up by 200 to 250 points, means Bank Nifty will definitely open above 500 points. If that is the case, we will directly test the upper end of the channel. For example, the upper end of the channel would be somewhere near 37,092. Somewhere near, well, not exactly, somewhere near 37,100. Okay. How yesterday's close is 36,000. I mean, not yesterday, Friday, last working day, that is Friday. Friday's close is 36,485. Sorry, 430. Okay. From here, if you add 500 points, it will almost come and test the upper end of the channel. Now the examination will be conducted here, whether he is going to pass or fail on breaking the channel. If it is breaking the channel on the higher side and moving higher, definitely we will not come down. But the question is, we need to sustain in the sense, we are looking for 3 hours time frame, right? At least in 3 hours time frame, it needs to close above this particular level, above this particular channel. Hope this is clear for you. Okay, no, because there could be a gap up, and then if there is some selling, it will come back inside the channel, and after 3 hours from 9:15 to 12:15, the close would be in between the channel again, which will not confirm the uptrend. However, if that happens, if the close is above this channel, we can wait for a retracement in next particular 3 hours candle, which means 12:15 to 3:15 candle. Most probably we may retest this particular area, this upper end of the trend line. Then this upper end of the trend line will become support when it goes above the channel. Okay, so either you can take position over here, or if you want to take wait and take more convincing position, means there will be a probable test of this upper end, this particular area where Bank Nifty is resisted for last 3-4 candles. Okay, so this particular area, what is this? 36,665. Let's remember it as a fancy number, 36,666. There could be a probable test of 36,666. When I am saying means maybe after 12:30 on Monday or before 12:30 on Tuesday. Most probably, if there is a retest, it will happen only between this time, not beyond or prior to that time. If that happens, we can initiate a long. So on the upper side, what we can expect? If there is a close above this upper end of the channel, the initial target will be 37,777. Sorry, 37,777. Yeah, 37,777. 37,777. So you may think that this numbers, these fancy numbers this fellow is saying is not available in charts, but why this fellow is sticking to the fancy numbers? Believe or not believe, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty seriously respects fancy numbers. Nifty, Bank Nifty seriously respects fancy numbers. So we need to take advantage of it and do analysis based on that. Okay, so you might think that it is not showing on the charts, but still I have observed it in last 14 years. Based on my experience only, I am suggesting these levels. Okay, 37,777 will be the first target, and then the second target would be 38,080. So if you want the exact number, means then it will be 38,072. This will be the second target. But all these will happen if and only Bank Nifty is able to close above the falling this channel. Okay, so if Bank Nifty is closing somewhere near this area, in the first candle, and on the second candle if there is a retracement towards this particular area, you can easily buy and keep your long position. For that you may maintain a stop loss maybe somewhere near 36,500 levels if you are going in futures. Okay, so based on this, if it is very tough to predict pick option call, but still I have managed to pick one. But we should not be in a position to chase it, we should be in a position to wait and watch. And if our level of 36,666, somewhere near 36,650 to 36,700, if that particular area reaches after bank nifty testing or breaking this falling channel, downward channel, then we can take a position in 37,000 call of current week expiry. 37,000 call, last traded price was 310. Probably the adjusted price would be somewhere between 290 to 310, 320, 325, something like that. But don't worry about this price right now. Let it go. If bank nifty is going to climb higher about higher near 37,000 and odd, this price will definitely get increased. Don't worry about that, just wait patiently. If there is a decline towards the zone of 36,700, you may pick this 37,000 call. So for example, if on this situation happens on Monday itself, we may get this particular 37,000 call around 170 to 180, 170 to 190 maybe. But if this situation is not happening on Monday, and if it is happening on Tuesday before European market opening, means we will get this at a better price, maybe somewhere in between 130 to 150 also, even 120 to 140 also. Okay, because of the time decay, the premium will get a bit eroded during in between Monday to Tuesday. So in that case we may get a better pricing if the situation occurs on Tuesday. But if its situation occurs on Monday, means we will get somewhere in between 170 to 190. At that time we can take a position, and similar way the stop loss we need to maintain is 36,500 on closing basis. If bank nifty closes below 36,500 on a given day, may be it Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, you need to exit your position, or else you can hold your position for a minimum return of 50% gains. Say for example, if you have entered in 180 rupees, means your minimum return which you can expect is 90 points from your entry point, which means 270 is the safe exit which you can expect. However, if bank nifty breaks above 37,100, which is the resistance mark, then it has no other resistance until 37,700. On that case, it would be a jackpot kind of trade where your call will be priced at 800 rupees. But looking at the geopolitical tension and list of events lined up in next upcoming week, we may or may not see such kind of rally. Anything could happen in markets. Markets are always expected to do the unexpected things, as far as me is concerned. When entire world said that Nifty is going to crack below 60,000, all of a sudden he took support at 16,200 and he climbed to 16,600. Even there many were not convinced when it was showing 16,700, everybody were saying that it may take rest at 16,801, 810, including me. Even I too have said like that, but it had other plans and it is showing 16,950, 970 now as per SGX. So markets are expected to do the unexpected things. We are just analyzed. We are just analyzing through the charts where the movements have happened prior, and based on history we are predicting some things which may happen. So there is not mandatory stuff that it needs to happen, but if that happens we will pick a trade and make money out of it. So remember the levels. 36,666 is the level. So somewhere around this 36,650 to 700 zones. If you see Bank Nifty giving a retracement kind of stuff, you can enter a position in 37,000 call. Hope this message is very clear for everyone. Whoever is a newcomer, please subscribe to our channel, and along with this, in this video, description of this video, I will add our Telegram channel links. Please be part of our Telegram channel, wherein we will be live during active during market hours. As I suggested earlier, planning for going to live sessions in YouTube, but I am practicing it. But when I am comfortable, we will start doing YouTube lives, wherein we will be active in market hours itself in YouTube, and we will clarify all your doubts or whatever the positions which we are taking, or any queries kind of stuff. We will answer your queries over there. And if you feel this video or this forecast kind of stuff which I am giving is worthy and it may help your friends or relatives, whoever is working in markets, please do forward it to them. Let them also get benefited out of this. Have a good day all. See you all in the next video in next week. In between, if something drastically changes, I will keep posting a new video. Don't worry about it. Always remember this point: fall in markets is temporary, but rise in markets is permanent. So instead of going and shorting for short term gains, stay invested for long term gains. Bye all. See you friends.